Ever wondered how American spending habits could be leading to their economic downfall? Let's talk about something called doom spending. This term refers to the trend of excessive spending on items that are not essential, things beyond our basic needs, like luxury goods or the latest tech gadgets. It's all about living for the moment, without a thought for the future. Now, the United States, known as the land of opportunity and consumerism, has been seeing some alarming trends. Consumer debt and accumulation of debt used to purchase goods or services has been skyrocketing. The numbers are staggering, with many Americans finding themselves in a deep financial hole. Dive a little deeper, and you'll find that the average credit card debt, per US household, is a figure that would make your eyes water. It's a clear indication that many are living well beyond their means. So, is the American dream turning into a nightmare of debt? To understand the depth of this issue, let's dive into some numbers. It may surprise you to learn that the average American spends nearly 60% of their income on non-essential items. That's right, over half of their hard-earned money is going towards things they don't necessarily need. Now let's talk about the rise of online shopping. Over the past decade, online purchases have skyrocketed, changing the landscape of consumer habits. This shift has made it easier than ever to spend money with just a click of a button, contributing to an increase in non-essential spending. But what about savings? The average savings rate in America is a mere 7%. When compared to other countries like France, where the savings rate is nearly 15%, or Germany, with a rate of over 10%, it's clear that Americans are falling behind. The numbers are revealing, aren't they? So what happens when doom spending takes over? Well, the consequences can be quite dire, both for individuals and for the economy as a whole. High consumer debt and low savings rates can lead to economic instability. It's like building a house on a shaky foundation. It might stand for a while, but it's always on the brink of collapse. And when it comes to personal financial health, the impacts are just as devastating. When you're burdened with debt and have little to no savings, you're essentially living on the edge. An unexpected expense could easily push you over, leading to financial ruin. It also means you're likely not saving for retirement, which could spell trouble in your golden years. But there's a solution. Financial education can play a crucial role in mitigating these issues. Understanding how to manage money, how to save, and how to invest can help individuals avoid the pitfalls of doom spending. It's clear that doom spending is more than just a personal problem, it's a national concern. In summary, American spending habits are steering the nation towards economic peril. We've explored the disturbing trend of doom spending, a rampant issue affecting countless households across America. We've delved into hard-hitting statistics, painting a clear picture of a nation living beyond its means. The antidote? Financial education, understanding the value of money, the importance of saving, and the dangers of excessive debt. As we ponder on these facts, it's crucial to remember our financial decisions today shape our economic reality tomorrow.